Okay, yung Where to be Born Index or Quality of Life Index. So, yun yung mga index na kung saan, pang mataas yung index ng country na yun, ibig sabihin, doon maganda ang quality ng buhay after its publication. Halimbawa, sa US, kung mataas yung where to be born index nila or yung quality of life nila, which is obvious, o yun, sabihin, maganda ang kalidad ng buhay sa bansang yun. So yun, buti nalalaman natin yung mga index na yan kasi isa yan sa mga economic metrics na pinagbabasehan ng mga economista, both serving in government and in the private sector, even private businesses. So yun yung magandang bagay na unti-unti nating nalalaman. At least may extension tayo, 10 years after graduating from the graduate school, meron pa rin tayong natututunang added. So, yun lang po.